Here is how to remove Gmail account. So first of all, go to your Gmail app, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on manage your Google account. Right, next step, tap on security and scroll down. In the very bottom you will see your devices. Tap on manager all devices. And here all your devices that login in your account. So basically you can log out of any of them. Just select one of device, for example this one, and tap on sign out. And one by one from your device you can log out from any device that will be on your account, and one by one. Also, it's if you don't have Gmail account, you go to your browser, Chrome or Safari, it doesn't matter. Go to your profile, just tap on your profile icon at the top right, or if you not see it, you go to google.com, for example. It doesn't matter, Google Maps or any site of Google, and you will see your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. And again, tap on your profile icon, and here you will see manage your Google account. And again, in your manage Google account you should tap on security over here. You just swipe, if you not see security, you just swipe from right to left to security. Hold your finger on this specific area and swipe from right to left, and you will see security. Tap on security, and then again same steps. Go all the way down, you will see your devices. Tap on manage all devices, and one by one sign out in any session that you would not like, and tap on sign out.